Have you ever hit a pothole and heard a loud metallic clunking sound coming from underneath your car that made you worry something was about to fall off? That sound is often a cry for help from your control arms, which are the unsung heroes of your car's suspension system. A control arm, sometimes called a wishbone or a lower tray, is the critical link that connects your front wheels to the main chassis of the vehicle. You have two of them in the front, one on the right and one on the left, and their primary job is to hold the wheels in place while allowing them to move up and down as you drive over bumps. Think of them as the protective shield for your front end. When you accidentally drop a wheel into a deep crater in the road, the control arm and its associated bushings absorb the brunt of that impact, so the rest of your car does not have to. Inside these metal arms, you will find components like control arm bushings and ball joints that act as cushions and pivot points. When these parts start to wear out, your steering will feel loose, your tires will wear down unevenly, and that annoying clunking noise will become a constant companion on every drive. Ignoring a failing control arm is dangerous because it directly affects how well you can steer and control the vehicle, especially during emergency maneuvers. Because this part is so vital for maintaining the structural integrity of your suspension and ensuring a smooth ride. Any sign of trouble should be addressed by a mechanic immediately. Keeping these in good shape means your car stays planted on the road and your tires last much longer, saving you from a lot of headaches and keeping your daily commute much more comfortable and predictable.